Today I'm going to be unboxing the Andis Professional T-Outliner trimmers. So these have the cord on it, and I've had another pair that I've had for a little over 20 years that I've used, and they just kicked the can on me a few weeks ago. So join me for my unboxing. I think you'll like it. Let's see what we have here. So first off, we got some stickers. You can see, I know it kind of looks reversed in the camera, but they're Andis. And looks like we have a little Andis card there. There's some lettering. My apologies for the words that come up looking backwards, but just showing you kind of what everything is quick before we move on. This is like a, I don't know, this is, I don't know if you can see that quite. It's like a sticker as well. And we have the instruction manual. So this pretty much is telling you what to do, what not to do, how you plug it in, and all that other good stuff. And well, I already know how to use the product, so let's get rid of that. See what we have here next. Ooh, we have some oil, lubricating oil for electronic clippers. And this is let's see here, a 1/4 fluid ounce. So not a lot, but this is good. I'll use that until it's over and done. And after I use that, I will break out my nifty spray, which is also acts as a disinfectant. It's a 5-in-1. It's a coolant, disinfectant, lubricant, cleaner, and rust preventative. So that works for me. And just in case if you would like to see it again, it is a Cool Care Plus for clipper blades. So check it out. It worked good for me. Now on to the clippers themselves. Decent packaging here. The plastic that they were stored in is a lot thicker than the previous wrapping that they had. And as you can see, this comes with the protective guard on it. And let's take this off so we get a better look. Oh yeah, look at that. They're pre-oiled. So I don't know if you can see the oil. Let's see here. You see the oil on there. And there's also oil on the blades as well. So looking good, looking good. You can see the name on there. And oh man, isn't that something? This fills very, very well. So yeah, these clippers look like they are put together very well. The button on and off switch here is a little bit different. You know, still got the little ring there to, you know, if you're working at a barber, if you're a barber, you can put that on your hook there. You know what I mean. And now let's plug it in and see how they sound. How about that? Oh. Let's turn off and they're back on. So, man, do they sound really, really well. So this is really good. This is a good product here. You know, I will test it out here over the next couple of days with just my normal cuts that I do. I cut my own hair. This is my first unboxing video, so I hope you like it. Give me some, you know, comments in the comment section, like, you know, what do you want to see next on here. I don't do, again, this is my first unboxing video. I don't do very many, but I will, you know, if you like it, I might start to do more. Okay, so you know, smash that like button, please subscribe, and we'll go from there. Thank you.